What's up guys, this is Essential Peace YouTube channel. Today we're back with another video with another interesting question for you. Thank you. Though the question seems to be like very much easy, very much common to us. But many of us don't know the complete answer, complete science behind it. So we, the Essential Peace, try to explain every possible reasons, every possible answer of it. So make sure to subscribe our channels and never forget to share with your friends. So let's see what are the questions we need to explain in this video. In this video we are going to see three most important questions to be answered. The first one is that why do leaves change its colors in odd months? Secondly, we'll see what does the effect of weather on the leaves. Third and finally we see that why does the tree have leaves. So let's get started.
As we all know about that, if summer season ends, the autumn seasons will obviously begins. And in autumn seasons, the night will be more longer than day. So less sunlight to the leaves, that means the fewer chlorophyll they can make. So what about chlorophyll? What the main work of it? The chlorophyll can be the reason behind the green in color of the leaves. So as the less chlorophyll they can make, this is why the change in colors, and that means leaf will be in orange, yellow and many other colors that can form. So because chlorophyll is the reason behind the green in color. Second most important reason behind change in color is that water. Water also plays an important role in autumnal leaf colors. If a tree does not receive enough water, the leaf will die faster and obviously it will going to fall onto the ground. Also, if there is too much water, that means too much rains begins, the tree won't receive enough sunlight. That will lead to leaves will not be brightly colored. You may surprised to learn that each leaf has small amount of other colors in it years around, even if we can't see them. During spring and summer seasons, chlorophyll overpowers all the other colors that was in that leaf in its years around, and that is why we all see the leaves green in colors. As less chlorophyll to the leaves, and that will make the other colors come in action, and that is why we see orange, yellow, red and many different types of colors of that leaf. Many people mistakenly believe that weather makes the leaves change its colors. That is actually not true. We can say that is partially maybe true. The one thing we know about that, weather can only affect how vibrant the colors will appear. If weather is too hot or too much cold, the leaves will not be as brighter as they begin to change. The best weather for brilliant autumn is sunny day, warm days and even cool nights requires. And the final question, and these questions we all been throughout our 5th, 4th classes, and the question is, why do trees have leaves? The obvious answer is that because they make foods. And to understand better, the leaves are just like solar panel. But the solar panel makes electricity though. But the process is same. And that is to gather sunlight to make food. Sunlight helps the leaf to turn water and carbon dioxide, that is what? That is into oxygen and the most necessary glucose. And what the tree needs first? The tree needs to prepare food for himself. And the process of conversion carbon dioxide into oxygen and as well as glucose, and that is the called photosynthesis process. The chlorophyll helps the process of photosynthesis. So that's all. These are obvious reasons behind the question, why do leaves change its colors during autumn?
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you guys learned something from it, and to contribute a big support to us, just hit the subscribe buttons and make sure to keep us a like as a feedback. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.